I'm now going to apply the Éclos de Beauté. This is the perfect all-in-one skincare solution, lovely for a dry, dehydrated, mature skin. I would actually recommend you use this once a day in the morning. Alternatively, you can use it at nighttime if your skin is feeling particularly parched and dry. Just the tiniest amount. Again, on a clean, dry skin, once a day. Don't forget the neck and décolleté as well. It absorbs beautifully into the skin, and that gorgeous smell of the burgundy, that Pinot Noir, that Chardonnay coming through, filled with antioxidants and the A2OC complex. It's protecting, it's hydrating, it's providing radiance, and it's boosting the skin cells' metabolism as well as protecting against environmental factors as well. Absolutely beautiful.